We're not talking about the future anymore. The AI agent revolution isn't coming, it's already here. And by 2026, millions of jobs are going to look completely different. Not because of robots with arms and legs, but because of something far more sophisticated: AI agents that think, adapt, and execute tasks better than most humans. I am going to show you 10 AI agents that are already replacing human workers in major companies right now. Some of these will shock you, others might make you rethink your entire career path. But here's what matters: knowing what's coming gives you the power to adapt. Let's dive in. Number 1. Customer Service AI Agents. First up, customer service. And I'm not talking about those clunky chatbots from 2020 that couldn't understand basic questions. Companies like Klarna just replaced 700 customer service agents with a single AI system, not reduce them, replace them. This AI handles the work of those 700 humans and does it in 23 languages simultaneously. The average resolution time, 2 minutes. The customer satisfaction score, higher than human agents. Here's what's wild: these new AI agents don't just follow scripts. They understand context, detect emotion in your voice or text, remember your entire history with the company, and can handle complex problem solving. They're using systems like Ada, Intercom's Fin, and custom GPT for implementations. The call center industry employs roughly 3 million people in the US alone. By 2026, analysts predict 40 to 50% of these positions will be automated. That's not a maybe, it's already happening. Companies like Shopify, Spotify, and major banks are rolling these out right now. If you work in customer service, the writing is on the wall. But here's the opportunity: someone needs to train, manage, and optimize these AI agents. The job isn't disappearing, it's transforming. Number 2, sales AI agents. Sales is supposed to be the human profession, right? Wrong. AI sales agents are now doing cold calling, lead qualification, and even closing deals. Companies like 11x AI have created autonomous sales agents that make thousands of calls per day, qualify leads based on conversation patterns, and book meetings automatically. These agents use voice synthesis that sounds completely human. They adapt their pitch based on how the conversation is going, and they never get tired, discouraged, or need a commission. A B2B software company replaced their entire SDR team with AI agents. Their cost per qualified lead dropped by 80%. Their volume of outreach increased by 500%, and their conversion rate stayed the same or improved. Tools like Gong and Clari are evolving into full autonomous agents. They analyze every sales call, identify what works, coach salespeople in real time, and in some cases, are starting to handle follow-ups completely autonomously. The prediction: by 2026, entry-level sales positions, especially SDRS and BDRS, will be 70% automated. Top-tier closers and relationship managers will still be valuable, but the path to get there is disappearing. Number 3, coding AI agents. Now we get to the big one that is already causing chaos in the tech world: coding AI agents. You've probably heard of Devin, the first AI software engineer, but Devin is just the beginning. We're seeing Cursor AI, GitHub Copilot Workspace, and dozens of other coding agents that don't just auto-complete your code, they build entire applications from scratch. Here's what these agents can do right now: take a description of what you want, architect the entire system, write the code, debug errors, run tests, and deploy to production, all without human intervention. A study from GitHub showed that developers using Copilot are 55% faster, but that's the old metric. The new agents aren't assistants, they're primary builders. Companies are experimenting with one human developer managing 5 to 10 AI coding agents. Stack Overflow, the site where programmers go to find answers, saw their traffic drop 50% in 2024. Why? Because developers are asking AI instead. The controversial truth: junior developer positions are disappearing fast. Companies are hiring fewer entry-level programmers because AI agents can handle those tasks. By 2026, the industry prediction is that we lines need 30 to 40% fewer human developers for the same amount of software output. But here's the nuance. We lines need more people who can architect systems and manage AI coding teams. The job is evolving from write code to orchestrate AI agents that write code. Number 4, marketing AI agents. Marketing is being completely transformed by AI agents that can create full campaigns autonomously. These aren't simple content generators. Tools like Jasper and specialized marketing agents can now research your target audience, develop content strategies, write blog posts, design graphics, launch ad campaigns, and analyze performance to iterate automatically. A major e-commerce brand ran an experiment. They had their marketing team compete against an AI agent system for 1 month. Same budget, same goals. The AI agent system produced 10 times more content, ran 50 different ad variations, and achieved a 35% better return on ad spend. But here's where it gets really interesting. These agents are becoming multimodal. They're creating video content using AI avatars, designing websites, and managing entire funnels from awareness to conversion, all autonomously. Platforms like Omniki and Pattern 89 are already doing this for major brands. The jobs at risk: content writers, social media managers, junior marketers, and media buyers are facing massive disruption. By 2026, expect marketing teams to shrink by 40 to 60%, with the remaining humans focused on strategy and managing AI agents rather than executing campaigns themselves. The opportunity is becoming a marketing AI orchestrator. Number 5, legal AI agents. The legal industry has always been slow to change, not anymore. AI agents like Harvey, built on GPT-4 and trained on legal documents, are now doing work that used to require teams of junior lawyers. Document review, legal research, contract analysis, due diligence, these tasks are being automated rapidly. A major law firm used AI agents to review 500,000 documents for a litigation case. What would have taken a team of 20 junior lawyers 3 months took the AI agent system 3 days. The accuracy was higher because AI doesn't get tired or distracted. These agents can read contracts, spot risky clauses, suggest revisions, and even predict case outcomes based on historical data. Companies like LawGeeks and Luminance are being adopted by major law firms and corporate legal departments. The prediction: by 2026, 60% of paralegal work, 30% of junior associate work will be handled by AI agents. But here's the critical point: senior lawyers who understand complex strategy, courtroom presence, and client relationships will remain highly valuable. The ladder to get there, however, is being removed. Number 6, finance AI agents. Accounting and bookkeeping are being revolutionized by AI agents that can handle complex financial tasks autonomously. Platforms like Vic.ai, Stamply, and specialized finance agents can now process invoices, categorize expenses, reconcile accounts, generate financial reports, detect fraud and anomalies, and even provide strategic financial insights. A mid-sized company that used to employ 5 accountants for their bookkeeping now uses 1 senior accountant and AI agents. Their accuracy improved, their closing time went from 10 days to 2 days, and their costs dropped by 70%. Tax preparation is being massively disrupted too. AI agents can now handle complex tax situations, find deductions, prepare filings, and even handle audits with human oversight. Investment analysis is another area. AI agents are analyzing thousands of stocks, reading financial statements, monitoring news and social sentiment, and making investment recommendations faster and more comprehensively than human analysts. The prediction for 2026: bookkeepers and junior accountants face a 50 to 70% reduction in positions. Tax preparers, especially for simple returns, will be almost entirely replaced. The survivors will be senior financial strategists and those who specialize in complex, High-touch client relationships. Number 7. HR AI agents. Human resources is being transformed by AI agents that can handle recruitment, onboarding, and employee management. Recruitment AI agents like those from Paradox and Hiraveway can post job listings, screen thousands of resumes in minutes, conduct initial video interviews, and even make hiring recommendations. One company reported their AI agent screened 5,000 applications, conducted 300 initial interviews, and presented the top 75 candidates to human managers, all in 3 days. That process used to take 3 weeks. Onboarding is being automated too. Number 8. Design AI agents. Graphic design and web design are facing massive disruption from AI agents that can create professional quality work in seconds. Tools like Midjourney have evolved into full design agents that understand branding and create consistent visual identities. Web design is being particularly impacted. Platforms like Wix AI and Durable can now build complete, professional websites in minutes based on a simple conversation. A real example, a marketing agency that used to employ 10 designers now employs 3 senior creative directors who oversee AI design agents. They're producing 5 times more creative work with better consistency. Logo design, social media graphics, at Creative, all of these are being generated by AI agents at a scale that was impossible before. The Adobe suite is integrating AI agents deeply into their products. By 2026, expect junior designer positions to drop by 60 to 70%. The remaining designers will be art directors and brand strategists. Number 9. Data analysis AI agents. Data analysis is being transformed by AI agents that can process massive datasets and extract insights autonomously. These agents can connect to multiple data sources, clean and organize data, run complex analyses, and generate reports explaining the findings. Tools like Julia's AI and DataBot are replacing teams of data analysts. A Fortune 500 company reported that their AI data agent replaced 15 analysts and produced better, faster insights. These agents are also becoming predictive. They don't just tell you what happened. They predict what will happen and recommend actions. Business intelligence is being democratized. Executives can now ask questions in plain English and get sophisticated analyses instantly. The prediction for 2026, entry-level and mid-level data analyst positions will decrease by 50 to 60%. The survivors will be data scientists who build and manage these AI systems. Number 10. Personal assistant AI agents. Finally, personal assistant AI agents are replacing executive assistants and administrative roles. These aren't simple calendar apps. Modern AI assistants like those from Lindy and Reclaim. AI can manage your entire schedule, book travel, handle email triage, and coordinate meetings. A CEO recently shared that her AI assistant handles 80% of what her previous executive assistant did, and it works 24/7. She still has a human assistant for high-touch, strategic work, but the role has completely transformed. Companies are deploying AI assistant agents for all employees, not just executives. By 2026, the prediction is that traditional administrative and executive assistant roles will decline by 60 to 70%, with the remaining positions focused on strategic support and complex problem solving. So there you have it, 10 AI agents already replacing jobs right now, accelerating fast by 2026. Here's the truth. These AI agents are faster, cheaper, and often more accurate. But here's the opportunity. Someone needs to manage them. The jobs aren't disappearing, they're evolving. The workers who thrive will learn to work with AI agents, not compete against them. They'll be orchestrators and strategists handling high-value work that requires human creativity and complex judgment. Start learning these AI tools now. Become the person who knows how to deploy and manage them in your industry. The AI agent revolution is here. Will you adapt and thrive, or resist and get left behind? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit subscribe for more AI insights, and I'll see you in the next one.